Hi, I'm Chef Robin.
And I'm Chef Eric.
And today we're making Russ Rutan's grandmother's Spudnuts recipe,
which is a variation of a donut.
First, you scald the milk to 180 degrees. It takes about 8 minutes. Then you're going to add your shortening, sugar, and mashed potatoes and stir well. Once you get that mixed, you're going to let it cool down to 90 degrees. Okay, the milk mixture is cooled down to 90 degrees. And now we stirred the yeast into the warm water. And we're going to add that to the milk mixture. We stir that well. And then add the eggs and the vanilla. And stir that well. Now you're going to add your flour, baking powder, and salt mixture into your milk mixture in thirds in a large mixing bowl. I used an 8-quart mixer bowl with a dough hook on it. I'm putting in about a third of the sifted flour at a time. Then now that it's getting wet, you want to add more flour. You want to mix it until dough forms and it comes away from the side of the bowl. It's about 2 minutes. After about 4 minutes, look for the gluten window, and then you know it's ready. You're going to put that into a greased bowl and proof it until it's doubled in size. I'm putting mine in my oven because my oven has a proofer. It said it'll take about an hour and a half to double in size. See you later. So the donuts have been prepared as you've seen previously, and we're to the point of taking our dough out of the oven from proofing. It has definitely doubled in size. Yeah. Smells so good. I love the smell of yeast. Okay, so at this point, we need our flour. You're going to dust the table with a little bit of flour. And then you're going to take the dough. Ooh. Pillowy dough. And we're going to roll it out Okay, forgot it. Oh, we don't actually have to do the whole thing at one time.
Just cutter of sorts.
And then you're going to cut your donuts. Oops. And put them. You can start cutting too. We'll have square and round. And then go this right in the middle. Now these have to rise for a half hour. Okay, we'll be back in a half hour.
Now that the donuts are finished proofing and our fryer oil is heated up, it's time to fry the donuts. Preheating the oil to about 350 degrees. And they should puff up nicely. I'm gonna go maybe 4 at a time. Just let them gently float. As far as the time to cook them, I'm just going off of color, but should be roughly 2 minutes, maybe 2.5. Now, your choice from here is to either toss them in like a cinnamon sugar mixture or an icing if you do have it. So I'm just going to take a couple here. Just lightly toss them. And out they go. Now 4 is just the initial amount, but depending on how wide of a frying surface you're dealing with, you probably can use 6 or more. Just be sure not to like overcrowd it to like more than half of the pan that you're using. I'd say these Spudnuts came out fairly well. What say you?
I think we have to try it to be sure. Yeah, I'm just one of those people that believes you have to eat a donut to be sure it's donut-y.
Quality checking at its finest.
Quality checking at its finest. Grab one.
All right.
Oh, that's the one I wanted. No. You know what I need? Milk.
Bakes by Nazon
And this has been Chef Eric.
and Chef Robin, and we'll see you next time.